Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the Link chart, a cryptocurrency that's very popular. And Link is currently in a trading area, so it's an interesting area to watch for a potential upside reversal. Let's go. All right, we are currently on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. You can register in the video description completely for free and you get access to all of these Elliott wave updates about cryptocurrencies, stocks, tech stocks, and so on. So you can check it out. As I said, it's a no-brainer, completely for free. We click on our cryptocurrencies section, click on the Chainlink section. So we cover various cryptocurrencies every single day, including Bitcoin and Ethereum every single day. And now let's take a look at the 2-day chart for Link. Let's see if anything has changed. So far, as you can clearly see, the overall idea is still unchanged, bullish. So if you watched previous videos, you're very much aware of that. The idea is still that a third wave rally could be unfolding. We'd like to see obviously a little bit more upside momentum from down here and a break above $38.65 to confirm the bullish perspectives further. This is the key level, the key breakout point here on the larger time frame, and the $100.65 level is sort of the next milestone target. You could say maybe it's a little bit more of a long-term target. Yeah, we can't say this is going to happen next week or next month. It might take a little bit longer, but we also know how quickly things can change in the crypto sector. So when suddenly all we need is maybe a catalyst, yeah, and the right sentiment, some kind of an event hitting the right catalyst and event, they mix together and create an explosive move that can happen in the crypto sector. So typically it can make sense to look for entries when the price is forming a pullback after maybe an uptrend, because this indicates, okay, I have an active uptrend and I'm watching for the pullback to get positioned, which is lower risk than buying, for example, a breakout. So overall, $100 is definitely a reasonable milestone target long term. Above that, we've got $123 and $137. But I'd say let's first see if we can get to $100. I believe everybody will be happy with that. Looking at the smaller time frame than here, the 4-hour time frame, this is what I said. You know, we are currently in a trading area, in a support area. Well, actually, the price is trying to leave it to the upside already. But yeah, if you watched the last video, I believe when we made the last video, the price already reached this area and was trying to reverse. We made a video last week about Link, if I can remember correctly. And this is the area between $12.43 and $18.05. So it's important that in such a correction, which we labeled a wave 2, so it's a corrective pullback after this wave 1 to the upside, magenta wave 1, rallied in 5 waves. So the wave 1 indicates the trend direction because it's a 5-wave move. The 5 waves point to the upside, which means the trend is likely up, and the wave 2 is simply a corrective pullback in that uptrend. Okay, so this corrective pullback should, if it really is a wave 2, hold above the $12.43 level, and this red zone should be a setup and jump off point for a third wave rally to start. Well, that's probably not going to be the main third wave that takes the price to $100. However, it's part of it. It's a so-called third of a third wave rally. And a good indication and confirmation that this is already unfolding would be a break above $30.95, the swing high of wave 1 in magenta. And could we break out directly? For sure. Yeah, that could happen. But we only see this with a likelihood of 37%. What we would prefer with a likelihood of 63%, that's the probability we assign to that particular scenario. What we would prefer is that the price forms one more low, possibly tests here this next Fibonacci level at $14.54 or $12.43. The price should in the process avoid a sustained break below $12.43, reverse and rally in a third wave and break above $30.95. This would be our ideal scenario, and then the price could quite quickly move towards $40, $50, maybe even $60, and all of that would be part of a larger degree bullish scenario. Now, below $12.43, the price will likely test the invalidation point, which is the swing low from end of last year. I think it was around November time, when the price bottomed here in a larger degree wave 2, and in this case $10 is the formal invalidation point. Now, between $12.43 and $10, we are in no man's land. This is when the price could still hold this setup, but it probably won't do it anymore because it is too weak. It broke below these key Fibonacci levels, which are a representation of market sentiment. So we know that if certain levels break, it indicates that the setup will fail as well. So that is what we don't want to see if this setup is bullish. So I think it's looking quite promising. We have to see if the market really turns around here and if the bulls turn up over the coming trading sessions. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And also let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrency or stock, tech stock, whatever you want me to cover in a video going forward. Also make sure that you register on the website and have a great day. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.